Before I begin, sir, I would like to thank our Honorable Finance Minister, Sri Pranajit Roy, for allocating funds for the state highway road from Jalabasar, Kanchanpur and Ananda Bazar, covering a length of 54 km under Tripura State Highway Improvement and Urban Mobility Project. This project will significantly improve road connectivity and strengthen the local economy of Kanchanpur and 60 Assembly constituency as a whole. However, I would like to draw attention to a few concerns to the Honorable Department. The sanction road from Burighat to SK Sermon to 15 km and Jampui Hill to Kangrai 8.5 km have not yet commenced. I request that this to be looked into. The road from SK Langshan to Madhuchandrapara is progressing very slowly. Work on NH 44A, including the Kanchanpur Bridge, which is a lifeline connecting to Unukoti and Dhalai district, is hampering people movement. Sir, I rise to